Secretaries Day, we're making over a couple of those wonderful women who keep offices running so smoothly. Irelita Gibbs is a videotape editor. She's our first makeover recipient today. Now, this is Irelita in her before. And take a look at Irelita after her makeover. She looks gorgeous. And Pat Collins from Black Opal Color Cosmetics performed the magic, and she joins us now. Hi, Pat.
Hello.
Good to have you both here.
Thank you.
So you're going to tell us what you did to Irelita?
Yes. That's going to be a nice tip and pointer for spring and summer that we'll be bringing with our Beauty on Location with Black Opal.
Okay, we'll tell you more about that, but go ahead and tell us what you did,
okay.
makeup-wise.
What we've done, we've come out with a cream stick foundation, and I've taken the stick foundation and giving her skin had a little bit of discolorations, which is called hyperpigmentation, which is very common amongst women of color and African Americans. So we put the stick foundation over the entire face. This is the first form of stick foundation in this form. What's so special about it? It's easy to apply. It has an SPF, because you know the summer's coming, and it imparts just the right amount of coverage. And it does not have any oils, and it's non-comedogenic.
Okay.
So,
did you put that on with a sponge? Is that how you did it, or?
Yes, you can apply it with the sponge, and you can also use your fingers, but the sponge will give you more of a much smoother type of application. And we always suggest to recommend that you blend downward, ladies, because we have hair on the face. When we cleanse the skin, we usually use circular motions. But when we wear the foundation, we should usually use, smooth, even downward strokes. And make sure that there is no line of demarcation along the jawline area.
And her eyes look so beautiful. Did you do something special to her eyes?
Well, we have a wonderful shade called Olympic Gold.
Olympic Gold.
Olympic
Perfect.
Gold. And we also put Peach Tree Blusher on her cheeks.
One walking Atlanta woman here today.
So we thought about it. We thought about all the colors and shades and ranges of skin tones for African American and women of color. And we know that we have other races, Asian, Hispanics, and Vietnamese that may have that yellow undertone. And Black Opal.
This works for them too.
It will work for them also.
Irelita, thank you so much. Now let's take a look at our second model today, Regina.